Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lickdale to Lawn, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Ephrata, Elizabethtown, Lidditz, Palmyra, Manheim, Anvil, Cornwall, Akron, Myerstown, Denver, and Campbelltown. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 259 to 295, Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8, Interstate 81 from mile markers 86 to 93. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster and Lebanon.